Hello everyone, welcome back to Dream Zone TV show. Today we are going to talk about a dream that many people have but are often afraid to discuss. That dream is about intimacy or having sex. Have you ever had such a dream and wondered what it means? Does it predict the future? Is it a spiritual sign? Now let's find out together. In general, we're going to talk about having sex in dreams. Have you ever dreamed about having sex? If you dreamed that, it's a reason why you have to stay here on Dream Zone TV show with Aizo Wilgwanda. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Before we begin, remember that dreams are a personal experience. The same dream can mean different things to different people depending on their emotions, relationships, and life situations. In order to understand it very well, let's use these 5 main important things. Number first is dreams about intimacy don't always mean desire. The second is it could represent emotional needs. Number 3 is dreams can symbolize personal growth. Number 4 is spiritual interpretation. The last one is daily life can influence dreams. Right now we're going to discuss about that. Don't miss, my friend. The first thing you should know is that dreaming about intimacy does not necessarily mean that you want to be with that person in real life. Sometimes these dreams symbolize emotional connection, trust, or a strong bond. Your mind may be trying to tell you admire certain qualities in that person or that you need a deeper relationship in your life. For example, if you dream about someone you know, the dream may represent qualities that associate with them, such as confidence, kindness, or success. The second, it could represent emotional needs. Another possible meaning is that your dream reflects emotional needs. Maybe you feel lonely, understood, or disconnected from the people around you. Dreams often reveal feelings that you hide during the day. If you have been stressed, anxious, or going through difficult times, your subconscious mind may express those emotions through symbolic dreams. Ask yourself these questions. Have I been feeling lonely lately? The second you have to ask yourself is, do I need more love and support? The third you have to ask yourself is, am I worried about my future? Sometimes the answers for these questions can help you understand your dreams. Let's continue. Dreams can symbolize personal growth. Surprisingly, dreams about intimacy can also symbolize personal growth and change. In many traditions, dreams about two people coming together represent the union of different parts of your personalities. It may mean that you are becoming stronger, wiser, or more confident. Perhaps are starting a new job, beginning a business, or entering a new phase in your life. Your dream may simply reflect there's a chance. Let us continue to number 4, spiritual interpretation. Many people believe that dreams carry spiritual message. Some think that dreams about intimacy may symbolize spiritual connection, like hidden emotions or inner struggles. However, there is no universal interpretation that applies to everyone. A spiritual meaning depends on your beliefs, experience, and the context of the dream. Instead of assuming that every dream has a supernatural meaning, try to pay attention to your emotion in the dream. Now, ask yourself these questions. First is, was I happy or afraid? The second, did I recognize the person? The third is, how did I feel after waking up? Did you get it? Answers in the comment section. These details can help you to understand the message behind the dream. We continue. The daily life can influence the dreams. Sometimes explanation is very simple. The video you watch, the conversation you have, and the thoughts you entertain before sleeping can influence your dreams. Our brains continue to process memories and emotion while we sleep. That is why dreams are often connected to our daily experience. If you have been thinking about relationships, like watching romantic movies or dealing with emotion situations, those experiences may appear in your dreams. Now we are about to end. Let's get conclusion together. Dreams about intimacy can have many meanings. They may symbolize emotional needs, personal growth, stress, or important changes in your life. Remember, the dreams don't always predict the future. They are often a reflection of our thoughts, emotions, and experience. What do we think? Have you ever had a dream like this? Share your experience in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss our next dream interpretations. Thank you so much for watching Dream Zone TV show with Aizo Rwanda, and see you in the next video.